Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and to this video I have given this question: 4 power x minus 5 equals to 20. Let's provide the solution very quickly by copy what we have. 4 power x minus 5 equals to 20, right? So what we have to do, we have 4 power x, which equals to 20, then plus 5. So we shall write this one as 4 power x equals to 25. At this stage, we can apply logarithm on both sides to get the logarithm of 4 to the power of x equals to, here, logarithm of 25. Alright, so we can write x logarithm of 4 equals to logarithm here 5 squared. Alright, that is what we have. So here we have to divide logarithm of 4, and here we have to divide logarithm of 4 to get x equals to logarithm of here 5 squared to the base 4 as the value of x. So we have to check if the answer is correct, because I've given here 4 power x minus 5 equals to 20, and we shall write 4 power here logarithm of here 5 squared to the base 4, then minus 5 equals to 20. At this stage, you have seen that we have same base, to mean the answer will be 5 squared minus 5 equals to 20, and here I have 25 minus here 5 equals to 20, and of course 20 equals to 20, and left hand side equals to right hand side. I can say that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.